Today in this video, we will be looking at 5 best grooming kits for men. At the end of the video, you'll find out which one is best for you if you want to check the prices. All the links are given below in the description, check them out. And before diving into the video, like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon. Meet the Philips Norelco All-in-One 9000, a 23-in-1 grooming machine made for your face, hairs, and body. You get 23 different tools and attachments, including a beard trimmer, hair clipper, precision trimmer, nose and ear trimmer, and body groomer. The self-sharpening stainless steel blades are designed to stay sharp, while BeardSense technology helps deliver a more even trim. And with settings going down to 0.5 millimeters, you can easily switch between a close trim and a longer beard style. It's also 100% shower-proof, making it dead easy to clean. And the battery gives you up to 6 hours of runtime on a full charge. As for the price, it's currently around $80, down from roughly $100. So, is it worth it? I'd say yes. If you want one versatile grooming kit without buying loads of separate devices, this is a pretty cracking deal. One trimmer, 23 tools, and pretty much everything you need to stay sharp. Meet the Braun All-in-One Grooming Kit, a versatile cordless kit designed to handle your beard, hairs, body, and those little finishing touches. It comes with multiple attachments and combs, so you can trim, shape, and style different areas without constantly switching between different gadgets. The precision trimmer is great for detailing your beard and cleaning up those hard-to-reach areas, whilst the adjustable combs give you better control over your trimming length. And because it's cordless, you can just pick it up and get started. No messing around with cables. You also get a Gillette razor, which is handy when you want that proper, clean-shaven finish. But is it actually worth it? If you're looking for an affordable all-in-one grooming kit that can replace several separate tools, I'd say yes. And if you can find it around the $40 to $50 range, it becomes an even better deal. So instead of cluttering up your bathroom with loads of different grooming gadgets, one Braun kit can cover most of the basics. Pretty convenient, and definitely worth considering. This is the Remington All-in-One Grooming Kit, a versatile setup with multiple attachments for trimming, shaping, and detailing. You get a full-size trimmer, detailed trimmer, beard and stubble combs, plus hair-cutting attachments, so you can handle most of your grooming without needing several different devices. The self-sharpening steel blades are designed to stay sharp and give you a smooth, consistent trim. And when it comes to battery life, you get up to 60 minutes of cordless runtime, so there's plenty of juice for several grooming sessions before you need to charge it. It's also water-resistant, meaning you can rinse the washable attachments under the tap for easy cleaning. Now for the price. Depending on the deal, it can be found around $25 to $40. So, is it worth it? I'd say yes. It doesn't have all the fancy features of the more expensive Philips or Braun kits, but for the price, it covers the essentials really well. Affordable, versatile, decent battery life, and easy to clean. For an everyday grooming kit, this is a cracking little bargain. This is the PRITECH Manscape Body Hair Trimmer Kit, designed specifically for keeping your body hair neat, tidy, and under control. It comes with multiple attachments, so you can switch between different trimming jobs instead of relying on one blade for everything. The ergonomic design makes it easier to handle, whilst the skin-friendly blades are designed to give you a close trim without being unnecessarily harsh on the skin. And because this is made for body grooming, it's particularly useful for areas like the chest, stomach, arms, legs, and underarms. It's also waterproof, so you can use it in the shower and rinse it clean afterwards, which is brilliant when you don't want hair clippings all over the bathroom. The rechargeable battery gives you plenty of cordless freedom, so you're not stuck next to a power socket halfway through a trim. And the best part is the price. If you can grab this around the $25 to $35 mark, it's a pretty tempting budget option. So, is it worth it? If you mainly want an affordable body trimmer with shower-friendly cleaning and multiple attachments, absolutely. Not the fanciest grooming kit out there, but for the money, it gets the job done. This is the BeardSense 6-in-1 Cordless Grooming Kit, designed to cover your face, hair, and body with one compact device. You get 6 interchangeable heads, giving you tools for beard trimming, hair cutting, body grooming, precision detailing, and those smaller jobs like nose and ear hair. The cordless design makes it easy to use anywhere, without having to faff around with a cable. And when it comes to cleaning, it's waterproof, so you can use it in the shower and simply rinse it under the tap afterwards. The rechargeable battery also means you can take it traveling without needing to carry a separate grooming device for every job. What I really like is the versatility. Instead of buying several different trimmers, you've got 6 functions in one. And depending on the deal, this sits in the budget-friendly price range, making it quite appealing if you don't want to spend big on a premium grooming kit. So, is it worth it? For an affordable all-in-one option, I'd say yes. It may not have the premium build of a Braun or Philips, but if you want versatility, waterproof use, and cordless convenience without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth a look.